What am I doing today? I'm coloring my damn hair again. I watched a bunch more videos of other people trying this stuff out. Yeah, I'm doing blue today. It was really hit and miss with the people that liked it and didn't like it. And I thought, why not give this one more try? Because I don't really know how I felt last time. Most of the pink has washed out of my hair entirely. I've still got some up at the roots, but that was where it was heavier before. So we're gonna kind of see how this turns out. I'm gonna try a different method that I watched someone else do. And we're gonna see if that works a little bit better. See if that ends up a little less, patchy. The other thing is, I did not condition my hair this time. I just washed it. Just shampoo. That's it, that's all. I read that conditioner, and mind you, I did only use a tiny bit last time, but I think that may have been just enough to screw it up. But I did read that conditioner makes this stuff slip out of your hair super easy. We'll get through this. So this time what I'm doing is I'm gonna put my hair in tiny little ponytails. They're so cute. I think this could easily be the sexiest hairstyle of 2018. Alright, we're gloved. We got the blue. Two left. Okay, I'm gonna give this 30 minutes and I'll come back and rinse this out. We're washed out. It's washed out. It's time. Okay, well this looks like it's gonna be interesting. Look at this. So obviously I kept my roots pink because I either have really great or really terrible ideas. That's it wet. It looks like it took better than the pink one did so far. Let's blow dry it and see what happens. My hair is definitely interesting. I feel like this is kind of like Ursula hair, like I could be like an evil sea queen with this. I'm not mad at it. I'm not upset about this, but I don't know what's going on. I feel like my hair doesn't know what's going on right now. It looks interesting. Weird. It is weird. Irregular. My dark roots, and then the pink, like the faded pink, and then it's almost like my natural color, but then it's real blue. My hair is confused.